Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Chase bank account. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy the content. First thing you need to do is open a browser on your phone or on your desktop. Then enter the URL chase.com. Once you get into this website, click on the sign in button at the top right. After you click the sign in button, you'll be forwarded to this page, and here you need to enter your Chase bank account details. So enter your username and password that you use to log into your Chase account. After you enter your username and password, you can sign into the account. But if you do not have an account, you can click on not enrolled sign up now button. Or also, if you have forgotten your username or password, you can click on forgot username or password. So after you include all your details in this page, click on sign in button and you'll be logged into the Chase bank account. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.